Hello friends, my name is Molly. Thank you so much for joining me for this video. And today I wanted to have a little chatty updates video with you. I wanted to share some of the things I've been loving, everything from beauty things, physical items, books, ideas, habits. You get the gist of it. So if you're looking for some inspiration or just for some things to add to your life, this is definitely the right video for you. Today I brought you to this beautiful park, into the nature. So let's enjoy it together. So a couple of months ago, I ran out of my deodorant, and that made me question whether I need it at all. So I went no deodorant for a month, and yes, I need it. Nature of my work, it gets pretty physical as a photographer. I hug people, I see people. I do need a deodorant just to, fit in and not feel extra self-conscious. But then the question arose of what kind of deodorant do I want to use? I was feeling so bad to throw out this whole plastic container of empty deodorant, and it just seemed like an unrealistic option for me. So I went on a very hard thinking spree about what kind of deodorant I want to invest my money in. I was thinking about those paper deodorants and just different kind of eco versions, and my mind has settled onto this brand that makes cases that you can buy the deodorant pods for. Anyway, I got it. It's called Wild, and it's so pretty. It's basically just put a deodorant in. It smells good. And yeah, you can take it out from the bottom, replace the pod, and that's pretty much how it works. And now I don't smell. I'm trying to manifest working with them because I know they do work with YouTubers, so that'll be really cool because I really love what this brand is doing. So Wild team, Wild Mollie's here. Anyway, I'm so happy about this, so if you're looking for some sort of traditional deodorant replacement, this is definitely something that I recommend. I also got little minis from them, which have been quite handy when I was traveling. You just push them out from the bottom. So cute! It smells really good too. So that's my deodorant journey. The next thing that I've been really enjoying, an e-reader. Not too long ago, I've considered myself to be a person who will not use an e-reader because it's boring and it's not as fun as books, and books are much more textile. You can see how much you read. I can outline things I need to. It's just way better. But here I am with an e-reader, and I love it. I had it for a while, I just haven't been using it. And this case is so cool. It looks like a book. It's really sturdy because these things are fragile. This came in so handy, and I recently went traveling with it, and I had 3 books on a rotation that I was reading, and I didn't need to bring a bunch of books with me. It was all in here, and I really enjoyed it because I could just switch books based on my mood. What a beautiful, beautiful thing. Anyway, what I've been reading is fantasy, actually. When I was 13, 14, I was obsessed with fantasy. Like, it was bad. I was not doing my homework. I was just spending every break in school in the toilet reading. So, it was not good. It was great, but I had to stop. So I stopped, and ever since then I haven't really picked it up. And finally I got back into fantasy. My friend recommended me this book. It's called Throne of Glass series. And it's been so fun. I think I haven't been picking it up because I felt like I only need to read productive books and books that are teaching me something and that bring value. But I'm so glad that I kind of pushed that need to overcompensate away and just picked up something that I enjoy, like a fantasy book. It has been such a great escape in the evenings to read before bed or to read instead of sleeping, to be completely honest with you. It has been an adventure that these books have been taking me on. So if there's anything fun you are enjoying in literature that you think is not necessarily productive, maybe give yourself the space to just have fun and enjoy a good book without needing to get some sort of immediate value from it. Oh, a flower. I'm hugging it. And that's one of the books I've been having on my e-reader. Another book that I've been reading is called Bringing Yoga to Life, the Everyday Practice of Enlightened Living. I read it very slowly, just sort of a little bit in the mornings, just to keep my inspiration going for the practice. One of the more accessible books I've read on yoga, so I definitely recommend it if you're looking for a read for your practice. It has been really fun and enjoyable and wholesome. Yeah, that's something I've been also enjoying. And the third book that I've been also enjoying on this e-reader is The Highly Sensitive Person. It's called a highly sensitive person. I've always loved my sensitivity, but also it's been a cause of a lot of misunderstanding and pain in my experience. So this book has come very handy. I learned about it from the channel Happy Simple Zen, which I really enjoy, and it's really a fun book to read about this kind of different type of nervous system. I like how it destroys some of the stigmas around sensitivity and how it is perceived more negatively in our extroverted, hyperactive society. So it definitely gives me more ideas on how to respect my sensitivity more and live with it better and let it be its powerful force that it is. I'm also going pretty slowly at it, and it's been really fun. If you feel like you're a person with heightened sensitivity, this is something that I definitely recommend, even if you're not like HSP, which I don't even know if I am. So that's my ebook journey. And not too long ago, I was considering myself a person who will never pick up an e-reader because books only. This also leads me to the next thing I've been exploring a lot, and it is changing my mind. I feel like this is something that has been a prominent theme lately for me. I've been really open to changing my mind and seeing how much limitations I put on myself because I want to be certain about so many things. I'm still working on, exploring my values and developing them. However, I'm also not trying to put myself in the rigid frames of being very for something or being very opposed to something, because I feel like that just creates unnecessary separation that, just closes you off to great things. Yeah, it's something I've been loving, changing my mind, and it's been really refreshing. Like, wow, I did not think I could do that. That is pretty cool, if you ask me. Yes. So, what else? Oh, one of the things that excites me so much. I rarely get excited about sort of YouTube things, but when I saw a video of Boho Beautiful that titles, "We're not gonna do meditations on our channel anymore," I was like, oh no. Oh no, 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 no. And of course I opened it, and these marketing geniuses were like, that's right, no more meditation videos on this channel because we're making a new channel with just meditations. Wow. Wow. Ooh, you hear that? The thunder? I definitely started using their Boho Beautiful Mind channel, that's what it's called, and I love that they're still evolving and developing their business. That just makes me really excited and happy for myself and all the people that enjoy, yoga practice, not just in the physical form. Yes, so that's been really cool. If you are looking for more meditations, check them out. Check that channel out. Speaking of meditation, something that I've been really enjoying and I was opposed to at first because I thought it's for fancy people, I started using a blindfold when meditating, and it has been great. I actually really enjoy it. Notice that I open my eyes a lot while meditating. If like the intrusive thought comes, I'm kind of like aggressive about it, and I'm like, this has been really nice because it just gives you that full blackness experience, and you can really go deeper. This has a very nice silky material, which I really enjoy, and it feels really good on my face. In combination with my noise cancelling headphones, oh my god, I am in a different universe, or in the universe. Yeah, that's definitely something that you can try out if you are having this similar problem with opening your eyes or sort of, getting distracted by the light and stuff like that. Love this. Is this it? No, surely I've been doing more things than that. I forgot the main thing I wanted to share with you guys. I've decided to jump on sort of a trend and do a no-buy year. The rules are personal to everyone, and I made my own rules. It's been 6 months since I started it, and this is something that I've been really enjoying. And this has been a big part of my lifestyle right now, to deny myself opportunities to buy stuff. It's starting to become more of a second nature to me to not feel like I need stuff all the time, but there's still a long way to go. Slowly learning to take care of the things that I have so they can take care of me, and it has been a very beautiful exchange. I will make a separate video on it when I am done with it and share all of my insights, but so far it has been very enlightening, very beautiful, and I can't recommend it enough. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That's my life. Yeah. Let's talk in the comments. I'm really excited to hear what is going on with you. And thank you so much for staying up until the end of this video and coming on this beautiful outing with me in this beautiful park. The summer is upon us. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope to see you soon. Bye bye.